Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. West Indies under-19s carved out a 3-wicket win over Sri Lanka in the under-19s in their first match of the Super 6 round at the ICC Youth World Cup in South Africa today. Electing to bat, the young Sri Lankans were first bowled out for 231 of their 50 overs. Dinura Kalupahana top scored with 53, while Malsha Tarupati made 42. Raniko Smith took 4 for 47 for the West Indies under-19s. Nathan Edward also supported with 2 for 47. Now chasing a competitive 232 to win, the young West Indians got to their target for the loss of 7 wickets. They were led by a top score of 66 from Jamaica's Steve Wedderburn, while captain Stefan Pascal made 33. Wedderburn also shared an 86-run 4th wicket partnership with another Jamaican, Jordan Johnson, who made 39. Nathan Seeley also contributed a useful 27 not out as the match went down to the wire, with the Caribbean side needing 1 run off 4 balls to win. The young West Indians, who are drawn in Group 2 of the Super Sixes, will next face Australia on Friday. The top 2 teams from the Super Sixes will advance to the semi-finals. Now, Jamaica's men lost 8-1 to the USA in their 13th to 16th place playoff at the Hockey Fives World Cup in Oman today. Nicoy Stevenson had actually equalized for the Jamaicans with a field goal in the 21st minute. It has been a tough debut Hockey World Cup for Jamaica. The national team lost all 3 of their Pool B games, including a 13-0 defeat to India in their last group match yesterday, and then a 15-2 loss to Pakistan in the playoff for placement. They'll next face Fiji in the 15th to 16th place playoff. Netballing's now newly appointed Sunshine Girls head coach Sasha Gay Henry says after stepping aside from her co-coaching role in 2018 due to administrative issues, she is in a better position to take the Sunshine Girls to the next World Cup in 2027. Henry was unveiled as the new head coach on Monday after managing to get the nod ahead of Annette Daly for the top post. The vacancy was created after former captain Connie Francis did not enter into negotiations following Jamaica's third-place finish at the Netball World Cup in South Africa last year after her contract had ended.
Issues which I think that with everything comes challenges, and I'm very committed now to be positive in terms of those challenges and try to overcome them, and to have a better growth for myself and for the team. Also, it was also family issues, and now I think that my family is in a better standing, so I'm able now to commit wholeheartedly to the program.
And finally, in football, schoolboy football sensation Kaheem Dixon scored on his debut for Arnett Gardens to inspire them to a 2-1 win over Harbourview in the Ray Nephew Jamaica Premier League on Monday night at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. Dixon put Arnett 2-0 up 3 minutes after Jamone Shepherd had put the Junglists ahead in the 77th minute. Andre Fagan grabbed a consolation for the Stars of the East in the 5th minute of stoppage time. It was a 5th defeat for Harbourview, who remained 11th on 16 points. Arnett sit 4th on 33 points, 2 of leaders Mount Pleasant. Meanwhile, Tivoli Gardens made it 4 wins in 6 matches by edging Veer United 2-1. Horatio Morgan was the architect of their win with a double strike, his goals coming in minutes 60 and 65. A Shaquille Jones' own goal gave Veer a chance, but Tivoli held their nerves to move to 31 points. And that's the final whistle. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.